Okay, so I'm using a screen recorder on my computer to show you how to add Screencastify to your Chrome browser. So on the Chrome Web Store, I really shouldn't have made you watch me type, sorry about that. On the Chrome Web Store, we are going to search for Screencastify. And it looks like this. Add to Chrome, add the extension. It'll take probably 20 to 30 seconds depending on your internet speed for it to do all its processing. Great. Because I've already added it once this computer went faster. Okay, so it's been added to Chrome. Awesome. Let's go see what it does. First, you have to set up, of course. Always sign in with Google. Why would you ever want to have to try to remember another password? Enable the camera and microphone, otherwise what's the point? And enable the drawing and annotation tools. Next. Yes, you're giving it permission. It should get another set of permissions in just a second. Now, feel free to watch their videos. I am not the expert. They are. Feel free to watch their videos, but I don't want to. I just want to get started. So, I'm going to make my first screen recording. So it's Screencastify. So click on it. And you'll have to do some setup first. But let's just do one. It's going to scare you guys here early in the morning. Let's just do the webcam. Okay, we're just going to record the webcam. Notice this little green bar is moving because that means it's actually picking up my voice. The microphone's working. I'm going to hit record. It may ask you one more time. It may ask you one more time to include your permissions for the microphone and the camera. Hi, by the way. Just take care of that. Do whatever it needs to do. Down here at the bottom, this is just for the webcam only. There's a little button that says stop. I hit stop. And it starts processing my video. I could take a tour, but I'm going to just skip it right now. What is it saying right here? It is actually right now saving to drive. That's awesome. I don't have to save it. It's saving to drive. We'll get to more of this in a minute, but first, before you do anything else, rename it. That way it's not set to untitled. I'm going to call it Rochelle's Practice Webcam. That way I remember this is the one with just the webcam. When it finishes saving to Google Drive, I can click here and get a shareable copy. I can add this to Google Classroom, then my students have access to it right away. And it's almost done processing. I've been stalling a little, if you couldn't tell. All right, it's done. So let's go find it in Google Drive. I now have a new folder called Screencastify. Yes, it says that. Of course, it's not processing it. Give it just a second. I'm going to pause my screen. And as soon as I said I'm going to pause my screen, it popped up. So there's my video. I can watch it. It may take a little time to process because it's not quite ready yet. I can watch it. I can put it in Google Classroom, share it with Google Drive, put it wherever I want. I can even download it. More about this later.